Sony is preparing for some new products for 2018. One of them includes the successor of Xperia XA Ultra. A protective case for the new version of this smartphone suggests changes that will appear on the back cover. However, the first real-life pictures of the phone were also appeared. Here are the live pictures. Talking about the front, Sony hasn't changed much from the Xperia XA Ultra's front panel design. Side bezels are almost invisible. There are dual selfie cameras at the front, so it is good to see dual selfie cameras in the Sony phones for the first time. The rear of the phone gets a few changes. The back camera placement has been changed and it has been joined by a fingerprint sensor now. Overall, we finally have an idea of how the XA2 Ultra is going to look like. No other new details are available at this point, but we already know quite a lot about the phone. To remind you, the Xperia XA2 Ultra will feature a 6-inch Full HD screen. It will run on Android 8.0 Oreo and will be powered by 2.2 GHz octa-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 630 processor. Other Xperia XA2 Ultra specifications are expected to include 4 GB of RAM, 32/64 GB of internal storage, and NFC support. The dual selfie camera resolution are unconfirmed at this point, but at least one of the front sensors is expected to be 16 megapixel. On the rear, we will get a 21 megapixel primary camera with LED flash, capable of shooting 4K videos. The usual connectivity options like 4G LTE support, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth will also be present. The pricing and exact release date are unknown at this point, but there is a likelihood that we will see the official announcement of XA2 Ultra at the upcoming CES trade fair along with a couple more Sony phones. That's all guys, thanks for watching. Get subscribed to our channel and hit the like button, and as always keep watching and keep smiling.